Welcome back to another O2D unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2026 domestic C case. So we're going to crack this open and see what's inside here. Very hot case. Obviously the big thing out of this case that everybody wants is going to be the Ferrari Super Treasure Hunt. So hoping that we get one of those in this case. Start pulling from the top and see what's inside here. All right. First three out of the case. Starting off good with the 83 Chevy Silverado, which was in the B case. The Cupra E-Racer, that was in the B case as well. And then we have the Lucid Air. So new to the case, the HW EV series. You got the Lucid Air in kind of a, was that metal flake, like dark red or a burgundy. So that's a very nice. Lucid Air always comes in some very nice colors. Very nice natural colors, right? Because that's what the car comes in. All right, next three out of the case. We have the Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competizione in the Ferrari series. This one is in white with a very old school looking deco. I assume this is an homage to a past livery. Looks very similar to something I've seen before. We got the Bugatti Bolide. This is a B case carryover. It should be starting grid. And we have the Desert Drifter in purple. Everybody's favorite Jello mold in purple with a metal flake pink top. Sweet Ride series. That's new to the case. Next three out of the case, we have What's Up. That's new to the case. HW EV series in blue. The Purple Passion. HW Fan Driven series. This was this was in the B case. Datsun 240Z, Then and Now series in a metal flake dark orange. This is new to the case. So make sure you check out the full case report on orangetruckdiecast.com to basically get a checklist of what is in this case if you don't feel like watching the rest of the video, but please do. All right, Mazda RX-7 HWJ Import Series in a metal flake purple with a nice kind of cartoony deco on it. Also new to the case is the 17 Audi RS6 Avant HW Euro Series, and a very nice release of this one in yellow with blacked out rims. And the Donut Drifter. So we have the Desert Drifter and now the Donut Drifter, which is also new to the case. Sweet Ride Series, a turquoise colored donut with some pink frosting and an orange spoiler. Next three out of the case. We have the 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger Night Speed Series. You saw that, right? Yeah, that was in the B case. As was the X-Steam in the X-Racer series. Oh, this one's new to the case. The Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. The Expedition Scout in a metal flake purple. The Trucking Along series. Very nice casting there. All right, next three out of the case. We got the 5-alarm in purple, HW Heavyweight Series. The Volvo 240 Drift Wagon in blue, HW Mod Series. That's nice. That's new to the case. And the Mazda MX-5 Miata, the HW Dream Garage. This was the Legends winner from a couple years back. We saw that in the B case as well. Next three out of the case, we have the Pagani Zonda Cinque. This is the B case carryover, new model. Exotic Cars. The HW Kit Concept, Screen Time Series. We saw that one as well. And the Porsche Taycan Turbo S HW EV Series. That was also in the B case. Next three out of the case. If I can get them. We have the Hightail Chaser HW Mod Series. That was a new model for the B case. This one's new to the case. We got the X-Racer Chevelle for the X-Racer series. Very dark, transparent black for the body. Green wheels, pretty crazy. That's new to the case. And we got an Optimus Prime carryover from the B case. All right, cruising along here. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale Ferrari series. We also saw that in the B case. The McLaren Formula One team, B case carryover. And the 47 Chevy Fleetline Laying Low Series, another B case carryover. Let's get some C case cars in here, right? All right. Oh, there's one. Dark Knight Batmobile for the Batman series. Kind of a tan or a beige. The camouflage there. The Decidedly Go is back in purple. We saw it debut in purple, but this one is in purple as well. It's got yellow wheels and kind of a striping pattern on the hood. From the Mattel series, the old Matty Mattel series. Here's the case. 76 Chevy Chevette is back. Nice casting here. Drag Racer series. This is new to the case of a VP Racing deco. Next three on the case, we have the 70 Dodge Charger Hemi Challenger. 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger Night Speed series. The Drift Box. Another new model from the last cage, HW Euro series. And another Ferrari F40 Stradale Ferrari series. Top three out of the first half of the case. The What's Up. We got another one of those. The Hightail Chaser. Another one of those. And the HW Kit Concept Screen Time series. Another one of those. So not a lot of C case so far. So hopefully the bottom half of this case is much better. All right, we got cars falling all over the place. We're just gonna scoop up there. All right, here we go. First three out of the bottom half of the case. We got another 83 Chevy Silverado in that cool Black Widow deco sticker pattern. The Lotus Cortina. This is a new casting or a new release for the case. Very cool in like a matte brick red here with gold. Very cool gold deco on it. HW Euro series. Not sure if we've seen this color combo before. It's pretty cool. That is a very nice one. Highlight for sure in this case. The Hauler Back HW Heavyweights. We've seen that in the B case. Next three out of the case. We got the Mazda MX-5 Miata HW Dream Garage series. We've seen that. Same with the Cupra E-Racer Night Speed. We've already had one of those. And the Monster High Ghoul Mobile. This was a B case carryover as well. Mattel series. All right, next three out of the case. We got a 24/7 Night Speed series. We have that in the B case. The B case cars are definitely stacking up here. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale Ferrari series. Another one of those. Oh, new model alert. We got the Austin Mini Cooper S. Then and Now series. I hope well, I guess I don't know what this would be the then. I kind of hope I collect the old Mini Cooper casting, so I hope we get to see that one still with the detachable body. As cool as this one is, it's definitely pretty small. I guess the Mini is small, but I really love the old Mini Cooper casting. So hopefully this new casting doesn't spell the end of that one. But this is a new model in mint green. Got a nice white blank roundel on it. Goodyear on the sides. And a nice white roof. So only two new models in this case, I believe. It should just be the Mini Cooper and I guess we still have to pull it, right? The other new model. All right. So as always, if you're ever wondering what the new models are, make sure you check out OrangeStruckDiecast.com for the full list of new models per case. All right, the quick chat. This is actually a new release. It looks very similar to the 2025 release, but that was kind of like an off-white. This is like a more of a pure white. So this is the quick chat Mattel series. That's new to the case. Got another Hauler Back HW Heavyweights. Throw that off to the side. And the Raging Express with the Feline Lucky on the side. We got that in the B case as well. Next three out of the case. We got the What's Up. Another one of those. This is like the third What's Up. I don't think I need any more of those. Hey, look at that. That's a cool air. A backwards car. The Corvette Grand Sport. Very nice edition of this one then and now in backwards form. Oh, here's the other new model. The other new model for the case is the Legends winner from last year. The HW Dream Garage Series La Liebre. I think it was the Chilean winner, right? It probably says right here, yep, Cars and Coffee Chile to honor South America's rich road racing legacy. So very cool to have another Legends Tour winner. Quite the collection of Legends Tour cars that we have going on. So very cool detail in this one as well. If you haven't seen this one already, you got the Cars and Coffee Chile logo on the hood and on the sides and on the back. And then on the top you have Casa Grande, something along those lines. But this is the La Liebre. Almost looks like a Batmobile. Very cool casting. So second new model of 2 in this case. All right, next 3 out of the case. We have the 67 Camaro. It should be Dream Garage Series. If you remember, there used to be this kind of like ad campaign probably at least 5-6 years ago with a gold Camaro and a mom driving it. This is the Camaro from that, not to be confused with the classic 67 Camaro with the opening hood from that. So there's actually 2 67 Camaro castings. This is the newer of the 2. This one's been around since probably 2020. It was 2020 was when they did that commercial. So it was a new casting at the time. Kind of slipped in. I think it was in premium or something along those lines. All right, another Monster High Ghoul Mobile, the Tell series, and the Roller Toaster, another B case carryover. Very cool roller toaster casting. All right, next 3 out of the case. You got the Braille Racer Twin Mill, the Braille on the sides in gold. That was in the B case. The Pagani Zonda Cinque, Exotic Cars. Another one of those. And another Porsche Taycan Turbo S. So not a lot of C case cars in this case. It's not looking too good, or is it? All right, McLaren W1. Oh, there's one. This is a C case car. McLaren W1 in blue. Very cool. The Dodge 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger, the Night Speed. This makes at least 3 of those. Get a lot of 3s. Don't like getting a lot of 3s of cars in cases. And the 5 Alarm. It should be a heavyweight series. Next 3 out of the case. It should be Kit Concept Screen Time Series. Probably another 3rd of that one. The Ford Mustang GTD in Metal Flake Blue. Very nice there. And the Purple Passion. It should be Fan Driven Series. Another one of those. All right. The Bugatti Bolide. We had this one already, and then we should be starting grid. Oh, we got another La Liebre in here. That's nice for those that love new models. Got another La Liebre in this case. Only one Mini Cooper, I think, so far. And the Drift Box HW Euro Series. We've seen that one at least once here. All right, I see the Ferrari Competizione. Is it the Super? Nope, not the Super. No surprise there, unfortunately. The Ferrari F40 Competizione. This is the would-be Super Treasure Hunt. In this case, all black, PR5 wheels. Nice consolation prize, we'll put it that way. Very nice. Next 2, we have the Braille Racer, another one of those, twin mill. And the 47 Chevy Fleetline in mint green. Have another one of those. Stacking up the B case cars. Last 3 out of the case. Again, we got another Ford Mustang GTD, the would-be Super from the last case, Factory Fresh Series. There's the other Austin Mini Cooper S, so we get 2 of each new model. 2 new models, 2 of each in this case. Then a Now Series, and the Hightail Chaser, HB Mod Series. Put that one up to the side. And that's it. That's the end of the case. That is the Hot Wheels 2026 C case. This one's actually appearing in stores now, so make sure you're hunting at retail. If you find an extra one of these in super form, make sure you send it my way. Thanks for watching. As always, keep eye out to the channel and to the site. We already have D case in stock. Gonna be looking at that one in the next couple days, as well as I got a backlog of other cases that I've been meaning to show. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next one.